Python dead, or is it just a myth? Python is not dead, not yet anyways, but it has seen a decline over the years, which has caused some people to wonder if the language is dying out. Regardless, Python is still being used worldwide for different applications, from web development to machine learning and data science. So no, Python is not going anywhere anytime soon. It is one of the easiest languages to learn, and it helped me boost my programming skills a lot, as there are a lot of resources out there to help the beginners as well as coding experts to learn this straightforward language. Plus, it has been out for so long now, like for almost more than 2 decades. Which means that there are several libraries available for Python that can be used to implement different functionalities, and that really makes the task easier for developers. But why the myth that Python is dying? It is a relatively younger language when compared to C, C++ or Java, and according to GitHub's top 10 programming languages, Python doesn't even exist on the list. Python is not as fast as other programming languages, and it is not as mature yet, as there are many functionalities in the current libraries which are missing, due to which the developers might need to use third-party libraries, which can be very time and effort consuming for the developers, especially when they do have well-developed programming languages at their hand. But these drawbacks do not mean that Python is dying out. I think the death of Python is greatly exaggerated for a number of reasons. The number of people who use Python as their primary language is increasing steadily year after year. When compared to languages like C, C++, Java, which have also seen their declines, by the way, Python is increasing at a much faster pace than any other programming language out there. Thanks to its open source nature, it is easily accessible and adaptable, and all of this points towards just one thing. While Python may be losing ground on some fronts right now, there is no denying that this trend will eventually reverse itself once the developers realize the potential they have at their hands with this toolkit, especially in fields like data science and machine learning, which are majorly Python based.